Hello, I'm Lindley Gooden. Welcome to Marketforce's Transforming the Customer Experience in Banking webinar, hosted in association with Lexmark. Now, the retail banking sector in the UK, as you know, is at a crossroads. The number of customers visiting their branch has fallen by 30%, while the number banking on their mobile has risen by over 200% in the last 4 years. So it's obvious that advances in technology and changing expectations are putting pressure on every bank to respond, as you'll know. Banks now, more than ever, need to embrace new technologies and transform their customer experiences to stay competitive. The challenges then are clear, but so are the opportunities. Digital advances mean that banks can create a more personalized customer experience across channels and provide customers with what they want, whenever they want, and wherever they want it to. Over the next hour, we'll be investigating strategies to attract and to keep customers while working efficiently across the business. Before we do that, let's meet the fantastic panel that we have here today. First of all, Jo Brown. Hello, Jo.
Hi there.
Jo is Customer Experience Director at Lloyds Bank. Jo has 18 years of experience in delivering digital propositions for large organisations, and before joining Lloyds, Jo held senior digital positions at Barclays, Metro International and B-Sky-B. Good to see you, Jo. Next is Jason Bates. Hello, Jason.
Hey there.
Jason is the co-founder, Chief Customer Officer and Head of Product at Mondo Bank, a digital challenger aiming to provide customer-centric banking on mobile platforms. Jason's already founded a challenger bank and a digital transformation company. Good to see you too, Jason. Thanks. Next is Chris Jolly. Hello, Chris.
Afternoon.
Chris is Chairman of Civilised Investments, currently applying for authorisation from the PRA as Civilised Bank, the first UK bank to sign the banker's oath. Civilised is focused on building customer trust and loyalty, particularly with SMEs. In previous roles, Chris ran Societe Generale and Commerzbank's London offices and served as a managing director at Merrill Lynch. Great to see you too. Last but certainly not least, we have Darren Collins. Hello, Darren.
Hi, Lindley.
Darren is Financial Services and Insurance Director at Lexmark. He leads the team responsible for strategy and providing thought leadership to global organizations in financial services. He helps organizations by mapping technical solutions to key business problems, and he has over 15 years of experience in financial services, enabling organizations to increase their responsiveness to customers, provide better customer service, and gain that all-important competitive edge. Thanks for joining us again, Darren, and thanks to Lexmark for supporting our webinar.
Great to be here.
Couldn't do it without you. So we have lots to cover, don't we, over the next hour, and you're bound to have your own questions and comments too, so we want to give you every opportunity to put them to our panelists if you're watching us live today. You can do that throughout the webinar, either using the Twitter hashtag, which is customer15, that's customer15, the numbers, or via the question section here on our webpage. We'll try to get to as many as we can towards the end of the discussion, but for now, let's get it started with how to understand and meet customer expectations. Well, that starts, doesn't it, by painting a clear picture of what customers will want from banks in the coming years. That's the starting point. So what do you think, Jason? How will customer expectations change by, let's say, 2020?